Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to share your project on CapCut PC into somebody else so you can collaborate your project to working on CapCut PC. So actually it's really easy. What you have to do, the first one, you have to create or join the spaces. So let's say you don't have any spaces yet, so you have to create spaces. Create space like this, and then you can rename any name, for example any name like this, create and invite members. So I copy invite link and then I send to my coworker or anyone to join my space. After that you open your project. Here listed all my projects. For instance, this one, I will open this one. So I already opened my project here, and then I want to share my project to someone else, but it couldn't share in specific but to someone, but I could or I able to share to the spaces. So for instance, I will share it to any name space like this and then export and share. And then that's it. Here how to share your CapCut project to somebody else. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click subscribe on down below, or you just click thanks. That's really appreciate. We will really appreciate that and fuel to our next content. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.